Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am so excited for this. Like, guys, you guys have no idea. I'm like speechless. I'm so excited. So I got my hands on something very exciting. As you guys know, Jeffree Star just released his Bloodlust palette and I was able to get my hands on it, so I'm extremely happy. I've had this package for 2 days now and I've been wanting to film a like first impressions video, and I've been so busy I haven't had the chance to just yet. So I haven't opened it, I haven't looked at it, nothing. My husband the other day was like, why don't you just open your palette already? And I was like, no, I want to do a first impressions, blah blah blah. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So let's just get started. I came in this box right here. It just looks like this. You see, like, I haven't even opened it yet. There's still tape on this. So, oh my god. Guys, I'm so excited. When I first saw him like release the palette or whatever, I was so in love. Like, I don't know. It's just like the whole concept, the aesthetic of it. It was just so nice. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god. So it looks like this. Whoa. It seems like it's very secured. All this bubble wrap. I'll pop that later. What does this say? Morphe. Oh yeah, I got it from the Morphe website. I did not get it off of Jeffree Star. I got it from Morphe. Wow. Okay. Guys, oh my god, it is so beautiful. I'm like shook. Oh my god, it is so nice. Oh, I love this. So back here, it has a Jeffree Star logo with a snake like wrapped around it. That is so cool. Wow, I'm obsessed. Back here just has all of the ingredients for like each eyeshadow. What else? It has like the Instagram handle, his YouTube handle. Look at how beautiful. Oh my god, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. I think I'm gonna save this packaging, guys, honestly. I don't want to throw it away. Now, Jeffree did mention that the box had kind of like protection around it, so the eyeshadows wouldn't break or like anything like that. So this is what it looks like. I'm so freaking excited, guys. You guys have no idea. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's so soft. As you guys know, it is velvet. It is amazing. And this is like the little protector that he was talking about. So it like, it's like a cushion kind of. Okay, so basically it just has the same thing, the Jeffree Star logo, all of his handles back here. It looks like this. It is very heavy. You can tell this is like a sturdy ass palette. And it has this little clasp right here. This is how you open it. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god, it is beautiful, guys. This is my first ever Jeffree Star palette. It is so nice. I'm so excited to use this. Wow. Okay, let me take off the sticker on the mirror. Yeah. Okay, are you guys ready to see this? It is so beautiful. This is what it looks like. So it has, how many shades does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 18 shades. And I love all of the stamps on them. They're so unique. I am so excited for the shade Executioner. That one's really, really pretty. And Sworn Enemy. Those are freaking bomb. And also this one down here is really, really pretty. I'm so excited to play with this, guys. You guys have no idea. It is amazing. I wasn't able to get my hands on the Conspiracy palette, but thankfully I was able to grab this one. Okay, so yeah, with that being said, I am going to go do my base really quick, foundation, concealer, all of that good stuff. And then I will come back and play with these shadows with you guys, and I will give you guys my full review on this. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have already done my base, brows, highlight, all of that stuff. So now I'm gonna go in, and I think the first shade that I'm gonna take is this Royal Pain one, and I want to use that as my transition shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it first. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, so right off the bat, they seem really creamy. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. It's cute. I like it. It's like a burnt pink kind of shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that on my crease. I'm taking my e.l.f. Detail Crease Brush. It's just this tiny little thing, and I'm using that to apply Royal Pain into my crease. So there kind of is a little bit of fallout. You can see it like picked up on the pan right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not a big deal, don't worry. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Your Majesty, and I am going to use a big fluffy brush to blend out what I laid on my eye right now. And this is kind of just like a bone color. Okay, now I think I'm going to take the shade Dungeon, this one right here, just to deepen up my crease a little bit, like the outer portion of my eye. Not my crease, sorry. Okay, so this shade doesn't have as much fallout as the other ones, just a little heads up. gonna go in with the shade Blood Queen and kind of just define my lash line. I'm gonna go in with the shade Beauty Sleep on a flat brush, this one right here, and just put that all over my lid. Okay, the shade is really pretty. It's like a gold with like purple pink reflex, so it's like a duochrome kind of thing. So whenever you like tilt your head, it like shifts colors. It's super cool. And I'm not going in like with a setting spray or anything like that. I'm just going in like that, and it's actually super pigmented. So I love that. I can just imagine how much more pigmented it would be if I actually did use this shade wet, or even just with my bare finger. Okay, so I think I'm done. I actually really like the way this look turned out. I don't know if I should add something to the lower lash line. I kind of want to. Okay, so I'm just gonna take whatever's left of Royal Paint on this brush and just dust that on my lower lash line. Okay guys, so this is the finished look that I came up with. I am actually really obsessed with it. I love all the colors. They blended out so nicely, so easily. They're all very pigmented, very creamy. They're just like, this palette is life. I am a big fan of like purples and pinks, so I know I will be getting a lot of use out of this palette. If you're not a big fan of like these colors, then obviously this palette might not be for you. But what else can I say? I mean, the packaging is really pretty, but it's not realistic. Like, I did find it to be really like bulky when I was like trying to do my makeup. I love the mirror that comes with the palette, but I was using a smaller like little handheld mirror to actually like look at myself, only because if I tried to use this one, I felt like, I don't know, like my hand was like getting into the shadows, you know, like it's kind of messy. But yeah, other than that, I love all of the shades. Everything is so nice. I'm gonna swatch some of these for you guys right now. My favorite shade out of this whole palette has to be Executioner, so I'm gonna swatch that one. It's a black shadow with purple glitter. So that is what it looks like. You guys can see, let me see, hold on. You guys can see the purple reflex in there. It's beautiful. Then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Wet Jewel. Jeffree did mention this was like a new formula that he created. So let's swatch this one. Oh, that's beautiful. That is so pretty. Very wet looking. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Scandal Water. This is kind of like a periwinkle shade. This one's so pretty. I've been actually looking for an eyeshadow like this for the longest time ever. I'm so happy it comes in this palette. What else? What else? What else? Let's watch Monarchy. This is like a very light brown. You can also use this as a transition shade. It almost blends into my skin. You see how you can like barely see it? That is like the perfect transition shade. So yeah, basically just to conclude this video, I absolutely love this palette. The only downfall I saw was that it's really bulky packaging. A lot of people might not like to like travel with stuff like this, but other than that, I mean, everything is really good. I love the shade range of like the eyeshadows that he picked, and it's just overall like such a pretty palette. So yeah, with that being said, I love this palette. I'm obsessed with it. I will definitely be using it a lot more. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.